Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Eddie Harvey from TradeWithEd.com. Hey, really quick video, guys. Sorry for the shakiness here. I'm just holding my phone here. I want to talk to you guys really quickly about the Forex trading sessions. Just talk about name each of the four sessions, and then, obviously one of the things you want to know what session you're trading and how many pips can you catch during the session, right? So what I want to just really quickly is just the four different sessions, guys. Obviously, you have the London session, the New York session, the Asia, also Tokyo session, Asia, Tokyo, whichever you want to call it Asian session, and then you have the Australian session. And during each session, the market moves, but it moves more frequently depending on which session you're trading. So the market is the most volatile. You get the most movement during the London session, followed by the New York session, and then followed by I would say it kind of moves the slowest maybe in the Asian session, and then it picks back up during the Australian session. And then obviously there are crossover periods between each session. It gets really crazy between London and New York because those are the most two volatile. So there's a period where it gets really crazy with the volatility. And then I would say, towards the end of the New York session and first part of the Asian session, the market may move the slowest. But here's what you got to understand: during each one of those sessions, you can catch some major pips. Okay, you can definitely catch major pips and make money during each session, depending on what strategy you're using, what techniques. But the market, even though the volatility levels are different during each session, it's still pips are being caught during all of the sessions. But if you're in the United States, guys, and you want to catch some fast pips and catch a lot of pips in a short period of time, or get in a trade, and obviously depending on what type of trader you are, London session is great for scalping. I like to scalp, but sometimes I get up for London and sometimes I don't. But then also I catch it during New York and also during the Australian session. I still catch pips, and I still able to get my trades in and successfully get pips. So you can always catch pips any session, guys. But it's just when you're looking at each session, I'm just telling you which ones move the most, which a trade will probably make a move faster, and also it depends on the type of pairs you're trading as well. So which lead me to say, well, what pairs should you be focusing on during each session? Obviously, you can trade any pair during any session, but the reality is the pairs that equate to that session will have the most volatility as well. So when you look at London, obviously you want to trade the Great Britain pound, the euro, the Swiss francs. Because those are when you look at Britain, France, those are European countries. The euro, so during that session you want to focus in on those. The US dollar obviously moves good as well during London. When you look at New York session, obviously the USD, also the CAD moves well during the New York session, and then the euro pairs will as well, and then they also have a crossover period between the two. When you look at the Asian session, obviously the Japanese yen, and then when you look at the Australian session, the Australian dollar. Again, you can trade all of the pairs at any given time of the day. Guys. But just telling you, what pairs would you maybe like to focus in on during a specific session. Those will help give you some more clarity on what pairs to focus in on. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, market is always moving. You're going to catch some volatility, and you're going to be able to catch pips during any part, no matter what session is going on. But it does move with more volatility depending on which session that you definitely look at going into. So guys, if you want to trade, you want to catch some pips, get out there, man, and just start making it happen. No matter when it is, depending on your work schedule, it doesn't matter if you're a night owl or early bird, whatever, you can still catch pips regardless. So whatever session it is, get out there, make it happen, man. Start trading, guys. And listen, if you don't have a solid trading plan, if you don't have if you're wanting to learn how to trade and catch pips and learn the ins and outs of Forex and cryptocurrency, guys, go ahead and click the link below this video, and you will be led to a place where you can find out everything it is you need to know about trading Forex, about trading crypto, and start educating yourself and starting to be able to capitalize on this financial market of trading. So Again, click the link below this video. Simply go to Trade with Ed and you'll get more info on that. So guys, with that being said, I will talk to you all later. Hope you all got some value from this video. Any questions, hit me up. Definitely be more than happy to answer them. All right. Again, guys, tradewithed.com. Check it out. Talk to you later. Take care. Have a great day.